I found a hidden luxury resort on backwaters of Kerala. And no, it's not in Allepy or Kumarkom. Imagine waking up to the calm lake view where luxury meets pure serenity. This is the Leela Ashtamudi in Kollam, Kerala. Nestled along the tranquil Ashtamudi lake, this isn't just a resort. It's an experience of slow living, nature, and timeless luxury. This year we chose this beautiful place to celebrate my birthday. But what happened at this resort completely caught me by surprise. So stay with us till the end because in this video I am taking you through our entire experience from the luxurious stay, breathtaking lake views, delicious food, unforgettable sunset, and moments that made this birthday truly special. The moment we arrived, we were greeted by the staff and they took care of our luggage. Entrance to the reception area was inspired by Kerala's rich heritage featuring intricate Kathakali statues, grand elephant sculptures and a serene pond filled with koi fishes, creating an atmosphere that was both regal and calming. We were welcomed with delicate garlands made of seashells, a gesture that instantly made us feel special. And the very first glimpse of the reception area was absolutely stunning. A traditional Kerala snake boat stood beautifully at the center, paired with a magnificent chandelier above and elegant seating that gave the space a truly royal feel. What truly stood out was the attention to every detail. We were then offered a refreshing welcome drink, just what we needed after the journey. The staff personally guided us through the resort, introducing us to the experiences, the restaurants, and everything that awaited us here. It wasn't just a check-in, it was a beautifully crafted welcome that set the tone for an unforgettable stay. Then the staff escorted us to the room where surprise was waiting for me. As I walked in, I saw a room was decorated with balloons and the bed was adorned with fresh rose petals. It instantly brought a smile on my face. I felt so special and thoughtful. My husband had reached out to the resort before our arrival and they went above and beyond to make it memorable. Now talking about the room, we booked a Royal Premier Lake View room. It was spacious, elegant and thoughtfully designed. Every detail felt warm and luxurious. From the plush bed to the subtle interiors, everything was crafted for comfort. One of the highlights of the room is the balcony. It opens to the panoramic views of Ashtamudi Lake and we had a lovely time lounging here. Now let me show you the bathroom. It featured a relaxing jacuzzi and separate shower and toilet areas. Paired with luxurious toiletries, every detail reflected pure indulgence. The bathroom was big enough with a closet having a safety locker. Also it had an iron with ironing board along with a separate space to keep luggage. They had thoughtfully placed chilled water with glasses on both sides of the bed, and these small thoughtful touches that truly set luxury resorts apart from a regular resort. And then came the most special part of our stay, celebrating my birthday. But the one who was most excited about my birthday was my little one. And to make it even sweeter, they sent a complimentary cake in the room. A small gesture, but one that made the moment truly unforgettable.
Happy birthday
Later in the afternoon, we headed out for lunch. As the reception staff recommended, we decided to try their beautiful floating restaurant Raanthal. Set right by the water, the entire experience felt calm, unique, and truly special. We decided to try their traditional Kerala seafood thali consisting of curry mean fry and matta rice served with various fish and prawn curries. We savored every bite and it was absolutely delicious. Rich in flavors, authentic, and so satisfying. Trying local food connects you to the place, its culture, and its stories in the most beautiful way. And the staff here were so welcoming and warm, and they made sure we were having the best dining experience. In the evening, I was so excited for our sunset cruise on a traditional Kerala houseboat, but unfortunately we missed it by just 10 minutes. I was little disappointed, but what happened next truly touched my heart. The staff went out of their way to arrange the experience for us the very next morning. Then we went for high tea, set beautifully by the lakeside at their traditional chayakada. We enjoyed our coffee with some snacks, and then came the most magical part, the golden hour. As the sun began to set, the sky turned into the most beautiful shades of gold and orange, with fishing boats slowly passing by in the distance, adding to the charm of the moment. Post sunset, we went for a swim in their infinity pool overlooking the Ashtamudi lake and surrounded by coconut trees. Since the resort is surrounded by lake from all the three sides, you will get a lake view from almost everywhere. After dark, this place becomes even more magical. The resort looks stunning under the shining moon, and it's so peaceful at night. In my next video, I'll show you a full tour of the resort and show you how beautiful it looks at night. At night, we went to their restaurant Kollam, which is an all-day dining restaurant. We had a buffet dinner at this restaurant and it was so beautiful with luxurious interiors and peaceful vibe. The food was delicious, and despite an LPG shortage, the spread was still good, especially the desserts, which we absolutely loved. They also customized food for my daughter, which we really appreciate. The service was excellent. And that's how my birthday ended, with good food, peaceful moments, and memories to cherish. This wasn't just a luxury getaway anymore. It became a memory I will cherish forever. But our experience wasn't over yet. The next morning brought something even more special. Watch the next video where I'll share houseboat experience on the backwaters and some more experiences which resort has to offer. Also, I will share my honest review of this resort. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share with your travel partner. Thanks for watching and see you in part 2. Bye bye.